Okay guys, I'm hot, I'm burning. I was gonna wear this as a wig because I have no black wig to wear for this video, and I need a black wig because we're checking out prom dresses today. Yes, prom dresses for my plus size girls out there who are broke but want to stay on a budget. So I actually saw Nella Rose do this and I like the video concept. So I thought, oh my gosh, this is a good video idea. So I thought, you know, let me just film one for all my chubby babies out there. I got you, I got you, I got you. She's done her haul, her prom dress haul on Fashion Nova, but I've never shopped on Fashion Nova at all. I don't know how their sizes work. So I did ASOS instead because ASOS is my go-to shopping place. Like, even what I'm wearing now, ASOS. I get everything from ASOS. ASOS is just that shop for me. It's like my go-to shopping place. So, sorry, the window is open. It's hot. It's actually hot, and I have the lights on me. My face is red, but that's not what we're here for. We're here to do the prom dresses, guys. I'm also testing out, not testing out, but I'm also like reviewing this booby tape. So if you see anything black on my chest, it's the tape. So just a disclaimer. Okay guys, here's the first dress. Like I said, the blackness hair is the BB tape that I'm trying on. Okay, here's the first dress. This is personally not me, but it could suit someone else. Bitch, you can still steal someone's man, you know. Listen, her there's Arab-like shoulders, so you know. Yes, get your rich Arab man. Get Arab money. Hey, we get Arab money. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Look at the sparkles. You have to wear this in two parts though, because it has a bit of a underdress underneath, and then you wear the kimono sleeve. But you can wear this to prom. Like, obviously, you need to remember, guys, it's under £50 in it, so I will wear this to prom with some nice gold stiletto heels. Bitch, you need some dangling earrings. You have that slayed frontal. Bitch, no one's gonna chat shit to you. Makeup done. Makeup beat. Makeup slayed. No one can chat shit to you. Are you dumb? Are you? Oh guys, this one is cute. Does it have lace at the back? Oh, it even has lace at the back. God damn, yeah. You know, this one says that. This one says I'm a fucking virgin and I'm ready to lose my fucking virginity on fucking prom night. You fucking dumb. Like, look, I'm giving you fucking lace. You know what lace means? Lace means sexy, and that's what I'm giving you, and I'm ready. I may be young, but I'm ready. I'm giving you high in your culture, yes, you know. Dress.
It's not good, but it's okay. That's what you got.
That's what I'm giving you, Whitney Houston. Obviously, I suggest that you wear a shapewear. I personally don't wear shapewears. Like I said, they are uncomfortable on me. I don't like wearing shapewears. This doesn't feel comfortable on me. If you wear shapewear with some gold heels, just gold accessories. Look, you've got it in bag, hair lace, black jet black hair, body wave, or dead straight. You've got this. You've got even. Okay, guys, this dress literally goes all the way down to like my feet. I have a small train going on. You can't see it from here, but this dress is like, yes, like I didn't want to come to prom in it, but I came because I was asked to, and I slayed. Obviously, once again, if I was to wear this dress, I personally would need a body shape wear.
I'm also waiting to place in.
Okay, guys, and this is the last dress. This dress is over £75. Oh no, £75. This dress is over £50. It's actually £75, but I just had to get it. Like, look at it. I like this dress. Like, if I had a man, Yes, oh yeah. So this is an asymmetrical frill dress. It's a band. Is it a bantu? Like a bandage. That's it, a bandage dress. I've always wanted a bandage dress, and ASOS done one. Is that a man? Listen. What? Babes. Look at this dress. Are you down? He's down. Are you down? Okay, guys. I'm actually like red and burning right now. I'm hot. But yeah, that is it for the prom dresses, okay? I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope that this has helped a plus size sister out there who has their prom, maybe in secondary school or whether you're in college, you know, like this has helped at least give you some inspo, I would say, for your prom dresses. Hope you guys enjoy. I hope those of you who are having prom do enjoy your prom, you know, get that kiss. Did I have a kiss? No, I didn't have a kiss on my prom. No, on my prom, I went to my prom date was a girl. I went to all girls school and they allowed us to bring like dates from outside. But I never knew no guys, and at the time I wasn't like no guy. So I brought one of my girlfriends. I brought one of my friends along, and yeah. That was my prom, and I even wore a maxi dress for my prom, and I was prom queen. So, but yeah, guys, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope this video has helped those who need some inspiration for their prom, and I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. So yeah, that was so gay. I forgot to do my exit. Deuces.